nice clean piece of cardboard. It's always good to save cardboard. You never know when you need to make a pattern or just have a clean work area to work. And in this case, putting the weather stripping on is going to work good for me. And I have a clean place to work for this Mac weather. Well, it didn't take long for this to dry out in the sun. It's about 70 degrees and it turned out pretty decent. Got a nice coat of clear on it and hopefully it'll stay clean. I laid out what it's going to take in order to do the job. As you can see, I started from here, just a rough measurement around, put it in here, come over here, and now I'm going to cut this. I'm going to leave it a couple inches long, just for safety reasons. Cut it with the knife, and then I don't have to deal with the whole roll. Okay, so that's where we're at. And then we're going to take this, I'm going to start from here under the signal light and glue this down. So this is where my starting point is going to be, like that. And what I'm going to do, I got this 3M material, which works pretty good, and we're going to go for it. We're going to take a try and try to keep it as clean as possible and make a line right there like this, all the way down to about here, and then stop. Make sure you cover this. Okay. And then take this and kind of put it on there like that. Let it stick out a little bit. And go like that. Kind of like so. Okay. And kind of push it down. But, oh, look what I did. That's what you don't want to do. And go like that. And it's the contact. So when you pull it away and you put it back, that's when this thing is going to adhere. So try to work flat. Okay, after notching the corners out and taking my time, sure that there's enough glue on both sides. That's the trick behind this. You can see notching the corners out. And this is where I'm heading. Seem to be heading in the right direction. Okay. We're going to do this run right here. This is some pretty nasty stuff. Kind of got to get it down. And you got to get the putty knife and get it up on the rubber and get it down. Because if it's not on both surfaces, it don't stick. And you can only do a little bit at a time. And today's a little cool, so kind of maybe working in my favor a little bit. I know Diamond Mike and Stan, they done this, and I don't know what their procedure was when they did it, but in either case, it's a little bit of a hassle over here doing this. It gets kind of sloppy, but you gotta make sure that it's on both pieces, and you gotta let it dry. That's the whole thing about this contact stuff. Letting it dry. Okay, I think so far so good. We seem to be keeping the rubber in place. That's the theory behind here, to make it workable. Maybe there's a better way of doing this. I don't really know. For me, it's my first time doing it. And I notch this corner. Bring this around. Notch this like this. Cut that back a little bit. Right there. That sits in over there. It makes a nice notch. Keep going back over what you did, making sure that it's drying in the right position.